Okay, we're back talking about VHF land mobile on the cheaper end. And these paging networks, how they utilize multiple extremely high power transmitters. Several of these networks are in operation. The more local ones, when I use the term local, I'm talking about ones that are a mile or two away from me in the downtown area. One second. But there are other ones on the same frequency that are, 3, 4, 5, 7, 10 miles away that are also extremely high powered and are very high up in elevation. The more local signals will occasionally break squelch on a lower end transceiver. That's not a local signal. That's a quote unquote distance signal, one of the 7, 10 mile away transmitters. These networks are still in operation and they're very busy. But in addition to these networks, there are other VHF paging networks, which are sometimes referred to as on-site or on-campus paging, hospital paging networks. They vary in power output from 10, 20 watts to 100 watts to 300, 400 watts. And that's not counting antenna gain. So see, that's a local getting into everything. Busted the Intermod rejection on the UV-5R and the Retevis radio. Let's see, there's another one up here on 15795, which happens to be conveniently transmitting a carrier 20. Yeah, that busting through the receive on the Retevis radio. And then there's there's two more. 158.1, 158.7. And then as far as local ones go, on-site ones go, we've got 152.480, 152. Yeah, that was right downtown. I thought that one just was on 15269. These signals are extremely powerful. They are one of the few signals, if not the only signal, that I've seen on a, high-end receiver. Again, this was located a little bit closer to their actual transmit location, but on a high-end receiver doing 60 decibels over S9. Now think about that for a second, what 60 decibels is. What 60 decibels means in terms of power and signal strength compared to just a regular S9 signal. So 60 dB over S9 means that even if you're looking at 65 or 60 or 70 dB of rejection, you're still looking at an S9 signal. It's just insane. And that's where having, a higher end receiver makes a difference. So, more to come on this when it comes to lower end land mobile VHF. But yeah, VHF paging is still very much with us, and it's still very much a thing. Intermod interferes with 2-meter amateur, with 151 megahertz Part 90 licensed land mobile, and with MURS, which is of course Part 95. Thanks for watching.